video. Today we're gonna show you how to put soccer info plugin on your website so that you don't type every day the league table or whatever changes. Like, you know, when today if Manchester United won, so you don't have to type in the table when it changes. You get me? To do that, you don't have to go every day you update a table. So it's gonna be difficult for you in case you have to update 17 tables. Sometimes they even delay the results. You get me? Sometimes they have to make calculations. There was a draw, there was this and this and this, how many points they have and all that. It could be a little bit challenging, but now we have a plugin which gonna help us to do that. So you go to your WordPress and you look at add new. No, I don't think I went in no, it's adding a new post. That's not what I want. You go to plugin. When you go to plugins, click on add new. After clicking on add new, you can go to what they call, okay, type in here soccer info, soccer info. Okay, that's one of the super plugins. So let me see, let's get it right. Okay, this soccer info is by SZ Lad Mahali. Okay, you install that. Okay, after installation, say activate. So after activation, this soccer info has what they call, okay, let me go to settings. We say settings, oh, no, I'm going to something else. Go to what they call settings on soccer info. Okay, the plugin is activated, so you can see now what they say. Okay, you don't have to do anything there. So what you do, you have to come here. You can see they teach you how to do this. You can say, example, this. Okay, you can copy this. This is the what they call the short code. Once you copy the short code, now we're gonna look for the league you're looking for, Spanish League, Premier League. You get me? So so what you do, we want the Premier League table. So you might want to make it as a page, and you can say English Premier League table, if you want to do that. Okay, since this you want to make it a table, you come here. After coming here, you can say, you can do what, okay, short code. Talk about short code. This is the short code we're gonna put. Okay, you put it in here. Remember, English Premier League table is number 2. You saw 2, ne? I'll show you. I believe you saw 2. After that, we can publish this. Publish it. And after publishing, we want to check it. Okay, and save preview page. Okay. You can see now it gives you the English Premier League table. You can see Manchester City, Manchester United, Leicester City, West Ham, Chelsea. You can see things are going super well here. So this is the way you do that if you want the Premier League's table to be shown on its own page. So what you can do also, you can copy this guy and put him here. You can talk something, maybe something a little bit small or something about the Premier League. Let me say Google, then .com. Then maybe we can look for EPL. Okay, PL logo. Okay, people who know who know soccer, they will tell you, they know, they call it the EPL. So those who don't know soccer, they would like also to understand. That's why we made it EPL. So it looks like an interest. Okay, 7 and okay, we go to images. We're looking for images. We can EPL. Let me say EPL. Okay, I made a mistake here. Okay, we can space it here, and we search, and we click here. Right, we're gonna then okay, we're gonna then do this. Wow, this is gonna give us something we don't like. Okay, I'm looking for something like this, maybe. Okay, so you every time something changes, this table is gonna change. Okay, I'm not looking for that. What can I do? We can, okay, English Premier League. Yes, let me take this. Let me see if it's gonna. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. So after that, you save. Sorry, after saving that, you can come back here and you look for, in the pages, you can look for that image, and English Premier League. Okay, put it there. Okay, you can put it here. You can put the alt tag. Then after that, maybe you can maybe put image here if you want to put an image. If you want to, let me see, image. Okay, put an image here. You can upload, not uploading, because we have already on the server that image. So you can put English Premier League. Okay, and then that's fine. You can enter. Okay, once we enter that, then it's fine. You can go here. Okay, then you can also write your description about. Okay, maybe you can say this table is up to date. Whenever results change, it updates automatically. Okay, great. Then that's all. You can take also that and try to paste it somewhere here. Okay, you can put it like this. Okay, automatically. Okay. Right page. Okay. Right, guys. So now we can see that we have our English Premier League table without any stress. So you saw how we put the what they call how we put the thing, the short code. So this short code, if you're looking for Spanish League, you put 1. So if you forgot that and you don't remember really, so what you do, you go, okay, if you're looking for a specific league, for instance, I'm looking for, you go to the plugins, the same plugins, installed plugins. We look for that. After getting that plugin, we gonna do what? We're gonna look for soccer info. So once we get soccer info there, where's soccer info? It's here. You go to settings. Then remember the leagues must be here. You look for any league you're looking for. You come here, scroll down. There are many. You can see everything is here almost. So you just take this number. You see, this is the number, the ID. you change it into whatever you want to, Brazil, whatever, Africa, Eastern Europe, Asia, Middle East, everything, they have it here. You get me? The same code, you can use it if you want English Premier League results. You get me? For instance, to put results, what do you do? So this thing has a widget. So now we have our soccer info. So now what we're looking for, remember here, if we go home, we can go, let's go home and I show you something. We're gonna go, okay, when we home here, we don't see the page which says English Premier League, you get me? So which is something not great for us, but I'm gonna give it to you in the meantime. I'm gonna get it for you now. So what you do, you can go to your dashboard and you click on appearance, then you click on menus. So if we on menus, that's when you're gonna find a primary menu. Okay, automatically add new top level page to this menu. Okay, so we're gonna say, okay, once we create that, we're gonna say main menu. Okay, no, okay, let me see if we can do some things here. Recent pages. Okay, we're gonna go to pages. Pages, we have one page, so can we add? No. So it wants us to do what? To put what they call, we're gonna name the menu, main menu. Okay, we're gonna call it main menu. Okay, so after that we say create menu. Okay, after creating menu, that's the main menu, we put on the primary things. So now we say okay, we add on that page. Okay, you can see that page is on there. So since it's there, we're gonna save. Okay, and save again. Then we're gonna go home and we see if we have it. So if we're gonna have it, yes, we should have it. You can see English Premier League table. Okay, you can see this is the English Premier League table. Okay, you can see all the which are here. So everything is here. Okay, everything, we have it there. So that's right, that's fine. So we can take out whatever. So but I wanted to show you something else. I wanted to show you how to put in the results. You get me? So you can go to your dashboard. This thing has also what they call the widgets. So you go to appearance, you go to widgets. I'm gonna say widgets. Okay, after getting widgets there, you're gonna come and say, you see this is the advertisement part, that leave it sidebar. Which sidebar we have? Okay, we have a sidebar here. Okay, home section, section with no sidebar. Okay, so what we do, look for soccer info. We're gonna say soccer info. We're gonna get it. We scroll down, this is soccer info. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it and we're gonna drag it where we want it to be. Okay, we're gonna come here. Now we're gonna put it here. Okay, so put it there, it should give us okay. English the wording is gonna be too long. We're gonna say EPL results. Okay, then we're not taking a table this time, we're taking next fixture or latest results. These are latest results. Okay, after latest results, we have that, we know. Okay, this is division 1, we don't want that. So what are we gonna take? We need to get, you remember that we use the what? We use the what they call okay, let me see, it's blue. So we used what they call the thing, the short code. Here we're not using the short code, we just say take that, we're taking that, you can see. Okay, limit, width, whatever, height, whatever. You can set up that if you want to. Highlighted team, they don't give us that. Okay, leave that. Okay, hide widget style. Okay, we save that. After saving that, we know that we're gonna be having what? Our English Premier League results, the latest results on the sidebar. So we're gonna go here. Okay, and we can come here and see it should be here. You can see here the results. So since we have results here, they put it in blue whatever, so I don't think that could work for us well. So we're gonna go back and try to reassemble that. So I'm gonna take this and put it here. I'm gonna put it on top. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, instead of making dark, I'm gonna put it like that. Then recent posts, recent comments, I'm gonna click that and delete this, some of the things we don't need them. Categories, we don't need those things here. Okay, we don't need those, we don't need those, get me, we don't need this, understand, some things we don't need them. Okay, so once we do that, we say we're done, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna refresh our site and see what's going on. You get me? So when this is here, you can see our English Premier League results, even it's floating on top. You get me? So it doesn't go anywhere much. You get me? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please comment in the comment box below if you have something to say or something which we didn't do well.